The KAIWEETS Smart Multimeter KM6000 offers a convenient automatic mode that efficiently identifies and measures voltage, resistance, and continuity, ensuring precise and fast readings. With its built-in rechargeable battery, the KM6000 allows for prolonged use without the hassle of frequent battery replacements, enhancing user convenience. The multimeter's large full-screen color display provides excellent readability even in low-light environments, complemented by a built-in flashlight for added utility. Safety is paramount with the KAIWEETS multimeter, featuring high safety ratings and overload protection to ensure user protection during various electrical diagnostics. KAIWEETS supports the multimeter with a generous 3-year after-sales service and lifetime technical support, demonstrating the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. The comprehensive package includes essential accessories like test leads and a storage case, making it a complete and ready-to-use tool for professionals and hobbyists alike.